I want her to teach people finances, how to budget, how to save. She always tried to teach me, but I ain't listen. Good positive advice. Jesus Macaron. I like it. Oh, thank you. I'm so glad that you could like it. I'm proud of how far she's come, and she is a great mommy to my granddaughters. Oh, thank you, Mom. Jesus, hey, I think a lot of what I do is for my mom. Like, I think she's a lot of my why because I've disappointed her so much in my life that I give my last breath to make her proud. Because I feel like it's important as mothers, we spend so much work trying to make sure our kids have everything they want and deserve. And it's like all we ask in return is that they make us proud. And I'm just so glad. And I remember being a little kid when I would find ways to make my mom happy. Because a lot of times I would find ways to piss her off, right? Let's just be real. Like, I would find a lot of ways, but not intentionally. I just was trying to get her attention. You know what I'm saying? But I would piss her off a lot. But I remember when I did find ways to make her happy, it would be the best feeling in the world. Like when she was bragging about me, when she was telling her friends at work the good things about me, it made me want to be a good kid, you know? So I do that about my kids. I do that a lot with my kids. I brag about my kids. I do. I shed light on what they're good at, and I make it known that I see, you know, because I want them to know that all I want from them ever in life is to make me proud. Let the world know that we did a great job together. Me and my mom went through some shit, but we are finally at a point in our life where we can communicate like two adults. We can agree to disagree if that's what we need to do. We can love on one another. We can get together and go on a shopping trip and get along. Like, but y'all don't know how far. People never know where the journey was. People never know. They only see the greatness. They never see where it was. You know what I'm saying? So they never can learn from the experience. That's why I started my YouTube channel. Because I want people to know that it's possible to rekindle a relationship with your mother. It's possible to have your mother's acceptance. Even if you pissed her off to no limit. Because I made my mom upset lots of times. And I still do. But she loves me, and I can feel it now. It took me so long to get here, though, because I had so much anger blocking it. I wouldn't let go of the hurt and pain so that I could receive that love from my mom. But once you let go of the pain that you holding on to, you'll see, too, that it's so much easier to love on those around you. Stop using people. Learn to love them. Stop valuing property and start valuing people. Because we don't know when it's our last moment with that person. We don't know if it's going to come a time where we ain't going to wake up to that person. We're never going to see that person again. We're never going to hold that person again. We're never going to have a conversation with that person again. I need y'all today. If you ain't here none of the last 66 minutes, I need y'all today to love on the people around you. Please, please. Sometimes that's all they need is to hear that you love them. We have so many people in our world today that are hurting, that are in pain. They're suffering in silence. And my heart goes out to those people. But if we just had more people that valued people in a way that they value material, we would have a better place. This world would be a happier place. Everybody would wake up happy if we learn to love on one another and express gratitude to one another, show our appreciation to one another instead of